We're here at 1150 McFarland Street in Dunedin. This is our post-jet video. We just got done flushing the house, so there may be a little water running through here as we push through the pipes, but as you can see, they are absolutely beautiful here. A little bumpy. Like I say, we've got some leftover water from where we were flushing the house. A vent stack there. Combo. And we 45. Another 45. As you can see here, these pipes look really good post-jetting. They do have some hairline cracks in it. Nothing that I would say that you'd have to rip everything out and start over. Another 45. And that's the end of the line. That's up into the vent stack. You can see on the bottom left-hand side of the screen, some of these are now just the left-hand side of the screen where these little cracks are at. There's obviously no root intrusions. You're not pouring dirt inside of the lines. Let's flip this camera over for you. And here at the bottom of the screen, another little crack. Back through the 45. I say, holding a little bit of water, but probably not even a quarter of an inch there. And that's our post jetting video. Thanks for watching.